Yeah, welcome to the new video on how to unghetto this car. Yeah, so I got the classic BMW radio. This is the old one with Cassetti that I will be using it, and then I will be replacing this part here, and with a little bit of help maybe from the extra cameras I'll be able to catch what I did, and then if I have the time I will replace this plastic gear knob with maybe something a little bit better. Yeah, enjoy the video. Yeah, so apparently I don't know how to use this camera, and I put it somehow in a picture mode when I was removing the plastic, which doesn't matter, it's just the plastic, just pull it, remove it. But yeah, it did happen a couple of more times. Somehow I get it switched up, I don't know, doesn't matter. Let's move on. Yeah, who would have thought? So I took this piece out. It had some things in the back, whatever. Basically had this thing, but this doesn't fit the end of here. So I guess I need an adapter or something, some wires that are missing. And here there's some wires, and then there are also like some loose wire. Yep, I was able to do something. Yeah, so this wire that goes to the original one, and this wire I removed. Everything else is questionable now. No, it doesn't work. It's not connected, but it already looks much nicer. I'll just keep it like this until I figure it out. Welcome to from the post again, or to the post, I don't know. So yeah, I didn't do any research on how to actually replace radio. I didn't know anything about it, what the cables are, how it works, and I didn't want to do it. So I just went in, replaced it. Like I was hopeful that it was just some cables in here and there. But then once I encountered these extra cables, I was thinking I need a different adapter. And so I asked the Council of LLMs to figure it out. And I found this adapter on Amazon. It was cheap, so I got it. But in the meantime, I went in and lost more footage of me remove the gear knob. I went there and just started working on the gear knob while I was, basically waiting, doing nothing. Yeah, I didn't do, again, no research how to do it. I didn't know how to remove the dust cover. And so now you're gonna watch me almost break it. So yeah, do your research. Yeah, let's see now what will break. Come on, man. Work with me. Is it like screwed or something? Do I just take this thing off? Okay. I just take this thing off. Yeah, it's screwed. Motherfucker, I almost broke it. I guess I'll have to now screw it and then put it back in. But yeah, this is the old one. Let's see, how do I make the new one fit? I don't. Okay, nice. So do I just cut it? To just cut it like here, and then just the other one maybe just hold it on its own. Yeah, it's time to cut it, I guess. Yeah, so next step here, take the Phillips out. So this thing, after I cut the original one, kind of sits flush. Let's see how long it will take. I will not glue it or anything, I don't want to waste time. So I'll just take these bolts off so that I can put this thing in, and then maybe maybe a vacuum cleaner or something, and that's it. For any fabrication, let me just zip tie this. So what I will do, what I've seen online people do, is basically pull this up all the way somewhere here, and then I put a small zip tie around it, like so. And that should apparently keep it looking nice. Okay, not too terrible. Yeah, so another day, another try. What I got is basically some adapter that I found on Amazon. I was looking for some other replacement radios, and it's all kind of the same. Same adapter would be needed, so I will try with this adapter and see if this would work. And for that, again, then we have to take this off. Let's see. I don't want to break it, of course. Okay. There we go. Okay, so here is how it looks like, the pins. I'm not sure if this would work though. Yeah, here again, no idea what I was doing, and I didn't know how to use this connector. It didn't come with any instructions, so I just now you're gonna watch me just break this thing to try and make it fit. So enjoy in my embarrassment. So this thing, the pins, looks like they are working. It's just that there's this, I don't know if it's can be seen here, it doesn't fit. Now before I do any modifications to this, let me just check if these things would work actually. Yeah, to be honest, I should have probably just checked the wiring system and how these things are working, but I didn't care enough to do it. And I was having fun, you know, just trying to figure it out, so there's that. Okay, I will start filming this actual epic failure. I was thinking going inside and doing stuff, but then I saw this little thing, just popped it off, cut it. There's a 5 ampere, whatever here goes in, yeah. And then, so what I will do now is try to basically cut this here all the way so that this one can fit in, and then I will see if this one needs to be cut or something. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right now, just chopping stuff. So first step, I cut a little bit of here. Let's see, like I have no idea. Just have to cut it all and then glue it or something. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if it pops off. What? I just felt some movement inside. I'm retarded. So this thing can actually move. Can it also be... Can move now? Fucking hell, man. The instructions unclear. And what's funny, even after I figured it out how this thing works, I still couldn't piece it together. So I just break the whole thing. Oh, fuck it, I'm removing everything, man. Okay, just this thing needs to stay. Yeah. and now it fits. I don't know if because of the sun it will be seen, but yeah, I just basically cut the whole thing here, and then hopefully it will hold. It does have some grip on this side. Yeah, fuck it. I also was able to pull in the wire here, so now what I will do is just connect everything and turn on the car and see if it works. What is going on here? Breakfast. How do I get rid of the cables? Oh shit. Should I just test it? Okay, it says disabled. Let me see if I can show you. So after all this, it says it's disabled. Why? Why? Why are you disabled, man? And that's where this story ends. New update for the radio. So again, I got it out, did all the thing. Now I also popped this thing out, which is the climate control. Because these wires are supposed to be connected to the actual real connector like this. Like the adapter one I probably didn't need, and then there it is somewhere in the background, all the way, like somehow tucked in behind some wires or something. So probably not to be in a way. Yeah, so what I will do next is actually just take this plastic off and probably this thing also off, so I have more space with the hand and I can try to wiggle it out. And that, I think, would actually fix the radio. And so just a quick update, of course, I just tried to take this one off, and yeah, never would expect that somehow it will be blocked. Like, supposed to go out front, like straight, but doesn't, like, somehow stuck. Yeah, so see you in 3 hours. Yeah, just look at the genius of whoever was doing this. So now I have to cut these wires to do it, and then I have to figure out how to actually take this one off because it's still stuck. I can maybe pull it back in, but it's blocking on something in the back. I don't know. Oh fuck. Yeah, so after some time I was able to get this thing off. So this is how it looked like. I was just connected to this, and it was stuck all the way behind here, and then I had to unwrap it. So that's a good news. Bad news, I kind of fucked up this thing, so now my wife is going to fix it. Otherwise I'm just gonna throw it away, and then no AC, I guess. But yeah, good luck. Okay, now it works. We have the FM connection. Can we do stuff? It works. Is AC actually dead? Or? Oh, fuck, man, I almost died. It does work. It does work. I forgot to vacuum this, but it's fine. Yeah, looks good, man. Finger it. Finger it. You have to do manual. And then one more. It should go to 1008. 1008. Can I play some music now? Probably. But you have to play some music. I will keep filming. Because this is very exciting news. Wait. Jel mi radi zvučnici? Real? Okay, looks like everything is now working. Yeah, and just like that, I fixed it in 2 weeks only. They did fix my issue with speakers not working, so that's a plus. But yeah, like always, we do things because we think they're going to be easy. And yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content better than this.